Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's Alex from Techrific back again with another video. Now, I'm currently in Calgary, Alberta and not in my usual setup, which is why the video looks different. But right in front of us, we've got the brand new iPhone 16e. This came out today, February 28th. And I was like, hey, let me pick it up. I'm going to Vancouver tomorrow filming an insane day in the life, more like weekend in the life video with this. So can't wait to see what this phone is all about. Make sure to go check out the day in the life video. It's gonna be up next week. This is also the silicone case. Now, surprisingly, it is $55 instead of $69 that we've seen with many silicone cases from Apple. But in this video, we're just going to be doing a little unboxing, first impressions of the looks, and the full review will be in the coming video next week. We're going to set that aside, and here is the reveal of the phone. Very interesting design. It looks like a boxy iPhone SE. It's reminding me of the iPhone 7 and 8 especially, except boxier and with a different camera layout. We do not have a camera control button, but we do have the action button right over here. SIM card tray right here. Moment of truth. Beautiful. Let's power this on. Set that aside, and right inside the box we have the usual accessories, a braided white USB-C cable, and obviously the SIM card eject tool. Now let me know in the comment section down below if you guys would like to see cables that match the colors of the phone. But here it is. This is the iPhone 16e. I've got to get used to not saying the iPhone SE or 16 SE. iPhone 16e. I wonder what it stands for, the E, in the comment section down below. Let me know if you guys know. We have the notch, 6.1 inch display, so same size as the 16, but instead of having the smaller bezels to make it 6.3 inch, they have the usual bezels that we've seen in previous iPhones, like the iPhone 13, which makes the actual screen size of the phone 6.1 inches. So set that aside, I'm gonna set that up. Now, silicone case, pull tab right here at the top, just like so. And here we are with the iPhone 16e silicone case. Pop that right out, and here we are. Do we get a little MagSafe animation? No, we do not. Is that because we're on the setup screen, or is that just not a feature that the 16e has? Looks pretty nice, pretty sleek. Interesting camera design for sure. It's very flush. I'm not used to this. USB-C, as you guys can see. And that is the iPhone 16e unboxing and first impression for you guys. Very quick, very simple. Just show you guys what's inside the box on launch day. And I'll catch you guys on the day in the life. Make sure to go follow my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, where I try to keep you guys updated with what's going on in my life tech journey. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.